It sits in absolute silence, a weaponized sculpture that looks more like a shadow than a piece of machinery. The blackened grille and the three-pointed star dominate the space with a cold, mechanical weight. It carries the DNA of an executive icon, but the stance suggests a custom evolution designed for something far more aggressive than a city street. Massive alloys and a razor-sharp body kit ground the vehicle, hinting at the re-engineered power hidden beneath the gloss. The paint is a deep obsidian mirror, reflecting the showroom light with a clarity that feels almost fragile, until the LED headlights cut through the quiet, signaling that the machine is ready to leave the safety of the glass. Step inside, and that exterior aggression vanishes into a highly detailed sanctuary. Screens glow against meticulously stitched textures and premium dashboard architecture, creating a fortress of elegance that feels entirely isolated from the world it's about to conquer. But this isn't a typical executive exit. It's the start of a deviation, pushing this silhouette into territory it was never meant to see. The S450 tears onto the open road, turning that former silence into raw, kinetic momentum. It holds its composure with a level of precision that defies the sheer speed of the asphalt passing beneath it. Then the custom engineering takes over, dragging that boardroom refinement directly into the heat of the desert. The same paint that mirrored the showroom is suddenly splattered with thick, heavy jungle mud as it carves through the terrain. It's a jarring sight, the world's most sophisticated luxury build refusing to yield to the elements. The chaos stops, dried mud caked onto the alloys, dust settling on the aero kit. Even under a heavy, hostile sky, it retains every ounce of the authority it had under the showroom lights. You've seen the aesthetic. You've seen the aftermath. But looking at the empty driver's seat won't tell you what it feels like to actually command this level of evolution. Experience the full vehicle showcase for yourself.